Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Travel with Tej. So right now I am in Stavanger, Norway. So there's a lake and lots of bird here you can see. So now I'm going to play with birds.
Mr. Tej want to feed the pigeon. Let's see how many comes to him. Okay. Wow, there's one here. The another one. Oh, the big one want to come there. Oh, look at that. Look at this pigeons and a sea eagle. Want to have some food from Tej hand. We put some Cadbury in his hand, so he's watching, but he don't want to go cut close.
Well guys, I'm enjoying and fun in Stavanger, Norway with birds. Next one more, come, fast, don't miss chance.
हाँ तेज
कुछ और तो यार खत्म हो गया
let's go Tej, we have to go another spot. Don't touch them.